In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML code on WordPress website. Currently, I'm using Elementor. It's totally free of cost for adding HTML code. So scroll down. You need to select which part you want to add HTML code. So I decided to add on this block. So click plus icon, then and make sure you have installed Elementor. It's not a pro plan, it's a totally free of cost and I use Elementor free. Then here is click a play box, otherwise you can left side you can charge here uh, html code. You can say I found, just drag and drop on this. So you want to add box like box oil this type. You need to click plus icon, then choose one. So I choose first one. Then here are the 4 box 6 5. You can choose any other. For example, I use 4 box. Then otherwise I choose 2 box 2 box. Then here are, click on the plus icon, then here are type HTML, then just drag and drop on this point, then paste your HTML code on here. For example, I paste this, you can see it's already added. So this is these 2 banner I add before making this video, and currently I add this banner. It's easy method. Now click on publish. Thanks for watching. See you again.